Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Home Decorators collection Wesley Park 2 light LED chandelier, and it has two rings or two halos that look like they're just suspended in the air because it has very slim cables holding them. It is as bright as 150 watts, only using 36 watts. So let's take a look. First we have parts using care. 1-800 number so you can call with any questions. Tells you what you might need to install it. The parts again. This is what it's gonna look like. And it comes with steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. I've installed another one before and it is easy. It's in Spanish, and I think it's another language back here. Here is the hardware. And there they are, the two rings. And the shade is made out of acrylic. There's no need to change light bulbs because it has LEDs inside. One of the things that I like about this is that it is dimmable. You don't need to have it as bright all the time. As you can see, the rings can be adjusted, and we ended up with a small ring on top, and you can adjust it to your taste. The color of the light is 3000K or warm white, and it looks elegant. The acrylic shade diffuses the light to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. It has an attractive chrome finish, and everybody has liked it very much. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.